Meaning of groggy.
groggy,
Groggy.
groggy,
Groggy. The word groggy typically refers to a state of disorientation, weakness, and fatigue often caused by a lack of sleep or rest. A person who is groggy might feel dizzy, unsteady, and unable to focus clearly on tasks. They may also experience symptoms such as headaches, nausea, and blurred vision. Grogginess can impair cognitive ability and reduce overall productivity, making it difficult to perform everyday activities at an optimal level. Getting adequate sleep, staying hydrated, and taking breaks throughout the day can help prevent feelings of grogginess.